Hello friends, welcome to MS English platform. And as you know, I am always motivating you to speak in English because our future is getting changed in English day by day. I don't say that unknowingly. You can prove that because you know the language you are speaking in your daily life. You notice just a little. There is a lot of English word has mixed on your native language. And whatever you are speaking, you take care of your every sentences. You will get maximum English words that you are using to speak. But even you are thinking that you don't know English. But no, it is not like that. You are speaking English with full of confidence and with good pronunciation. If you don't believe that, then you can notice in your daily life sentences. Like your mobile, you are using your mobile every day, pressing the words, communicating to each other, watching videos and games. Everything is you are using in English. So it is not very hard for you. You can learn this language easily, but it needs a little care for you. Most of people are afraid to speak in English, but they are properly using this language, but they have not noticed that. If you will know about this language, if you will think in little depth, then it will take a little time to make yourself fluency in English. So I say to you, please do a little attempt to this language. Definitely you will get success. And you know that is very well. Without practice, nothing is improved. If without practice the people can get improved, then hard worker would left their work to do it very serious. You know, if you need little good, then you have to do your attempt little hard. If you want to make this language or make yourself fluency, then it needs little hard work. If you want to make it best, then it needs best hard work. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, you know that is very well. What's the price of little success? If you want to get a big success, a unique success, then you have to work unique and you have to improve yourself hardly. But everything is not so hard that we consider it in our mind. Everything is not like that. Do your practice continuously and don't move back. Without practice, you know, nothing is to get. So practice is necessary and do your practice continuously. If really you want to speak in English, you want to improve your communication skill, then continue, keep on watching my video. I will make good videos to make understand you easily. Then that's enough for today. Thank you very much. We will meet again on the second video and the next day. Bye bye, see you.